Ever wonder how two people can both work hard, but one builds wealth while the other doesn't? Here's the truth. The stock market is one of the biggest reasons why. But most people never learn how it really works. Let's break it down. Super simple. Imagine Tony owns a pizza shop. It's doing great, but he wants to grow. He needs more money to open new shops and buy better ovens. So instead of borrowing from the bank, Tony sells tiny pieces of his business to the public. Each tiny piece is called a stock or a share. Now, anyone can buy a piece of Tony's pizza shop. If you buy one, you're a part owner of that business. There are two ways to make money from stocks. First, the price can go up. Let's say you buy a stock for $10. Later, it's worth $20. You sell it. Boom. You just made $10. Second, some companies pay you just for owning their stock. That's called a dividend. It's like a thank you check from the company for helping fund their business. Some people get these checks every few months, even if they never sell the stock. Stock prices are like mood swings. They change a lot. They can go up when people feel good about a company. They go down when people get scared. News, social media, big events, even a tweet. It can all move prices. But over time, good companies usually grow. And when they grow, their stock often grows too. So where do you even buy these stocks? That's the job of the stock market. It's not a real place with stalls and booths. It's mostly online. Think of it like a big store. But instead of buying clothes or food, you're buying tiny pieces of real businesses. Apple, Amazon, Coca-Cola. Yep, you can own a piece of those. Here's the big question. Is buying stocks like gambling? Not if you understand what you're doing. If you're just guessing and hoping to get rich fast, that's gambling. But if you're buying strong companies and holding them for a long time, that's called investing. It's kind of like planting a tree. You don't get fruit tomorrow, but if you wait and care for it, it can grow big. Rich people use the stock market to grow their money while they sleep, and now you can too. You don't need to be rich to start. You can begin with just a few dollars, and over time it adds up. The earlier you start, the better. Because time in the market matters more than timing the market. So, what did we learn? 1. A stock is a piece of a company. 2. You make money when it goes up or pays you a dividend. 3. Stock prices move based on feelings, news, and company results. 4. The stock market is a place to buy and sell shares. 5. Investing is not gambling if you know what you're doing. 6. And yes, anyone can start. If this helped you understand stocks better, hit that like button. Still thinking about how the wealthy do it? The next video has your answers.